Alright, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you each and everyone for making my gym series a huge hit. So welcome to my new series, which is informative series. So our first video in this series is tips to lose fat and weight in your body. So let's get started in our video. So in my Instagram DMs, the most common question I have came across is to help how to reduce body fat and body weight. So here I am today giving you tips, 4 tips to reduce your body fat and weight. So our first tip is nutrition. So let me write down all the tips and then I will be explaining one on one. Our second is training. And the third one is supplementation. And the fourth one is consistency. So first tip here is nutrition. Nutrition. To reduce weight, one must be on a calorie deficit diet. What is calorie deficit? Taking less amount of calories than required comes under calorie deficit. For example, if a person at 75 kilos wants to lose some weight, he has to be on a calorie deficit. Like for example, if he takes around 2000 calories per day, to reduce his weight, he must be on a calorie deficit. So he has to consider 1500 calories per day, which is actually 500 calories less than a required amount, which then the body starts dropping the fat and weight. So here a 75 kg person which has to take 2000 calories per day is actually taking 1500 calories, which is he is reducing 500 calories per day, which is, so here one person is taking 500 calories less per day, which is into 7 per week. He will be taking 3500 calories less, where he will be dropping 1 pound of body weight, which is an universal scientific fact. If you be on a calorie deficit diet with 500 calories deficit per day into 7, 3500 calories deficit per week, and then you will be losing 1 pound of body weight. So here, if you are clear with the nutrition topic, let's then go to the training topic. Let me up this thing. So our second tip here is training, which is really important in losing your body weight and body fat. So let's divide training part into 2 sessions. Cardio, weight training. So most of the guys at the gym always rely on cardio, which they think it will be helping in reducing the body weight, which is not true. Cardio combined with weight training gives you a result in losing your body weight and body fat. So how to prepare a workout schedule combining both cardio and weight training? So how to divide your training session into cardio plus weight training? For example, a person is working out 60 minutes a day. So let's start with the cardio session first. 15 minutes of cardio pre-workout and then 45 minutes of weight training. So it will be done into 60 minutes of training. Don't just always rely on cardio. Make sure you have your weight training properly. So our third one is supplementation. So we are done with the nutrition part and training part. Let's get to the supplementation part. What is supplementation? The nutrients which we are not getting from the food, we have to take it through form of supplement. It might be a capsule, it might be a powder, or it might be anything. Supplementation. Do you need supplements? Yes, we do. To what extent? To a very small extent. Always rely on nutrition rather than supplementation. take your nutrition through your diet and food products. If you can't fulfill it from that, prefer supplement at that point. For losing your body fat and body weight, what are the supplements required? The first thing is whey protein. It is a very common supplement. If you know, it's a protein supplement through which you will be getting the protein. And the second one is calcium. And the third one is iron. While doing fat loss or weight loss, your carb intake will be very minimal. Your protein intake will be on high. If you can't get enough protein from your diet, take protein from supplement which is whey protein. And the second one is calcium. Why do we require calcium? For your joints, bones and tendons healthy. To make sure your bones are healthy and perfect, you have to have calcium. Where can we get calcium? From the milk and milk products like curd, paneer, etc. So, while losing body fat or dropping body weight, you will be on a calorie deficit diet as we discussed earlier. If you want to take milk or curd or paneer, your calorie intake will be more in general. So, just to avoid that, you can take calcium as supplement. And iron. Where will you will be getting iron? From chicken, meat, red meat, poultry, green leafy vegetables. If you can't take all the foods in a day, prefer iron supplements. So this is it for the supplements, and our next concept is consistency. So how much time or months or days it will take to lose your fat or weight? Approximately at least 6 to 8 weeks. So you make sure you be consistent for 6 to 8 weeks to achieve your goal. You can have the best nutrition plan written by me, the best training plan given to you by me, or the best supplements in the store. But if you are not consistent, the above 3 tips are of no use. Always be consistent no matter what. Try to be consistent for 6 to 8 weeks and you will be achieving your goal and you will be thanking me. So these are the 4 tips here to lose your fat or weight of your body. All the best for your journey, guys. If you have any doubts, comment below in the comment section, or if you want any training plan or nutrition plan, you can DM me on my Instagram at @PawanDanush. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video to your friends, family, contacts whom you want to see fit and healthy. Thank you.